Alright, so I'm just off on an adventure now by myself today. I'm going to see the Chocolate Hills, the famous Chocolate Hills, one of the world's smallest monkey and primates, so we'll see how it goes and let's have a lot of fun. Alright, I first gotta take a bike, see if they can drop me off at Pier 1. I'm gonna take a ferry called Ocean Jet, and it's about a 2-hour boat ride to the island Bohol. Alright, I'm at the ferry terminal. This is the entrance and this is where you get the tickets. Stopping for some food. Got this pork chop. Beef soup is this one. Got this one. Rice. This place here. It's an old coal stove here. That's beef soup. Very good. Yeah. Oh, nice. Nice and fresh.
Same.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
That looks really good too, actually.
Yeah.
Cutting my pork. Okay, so it's pieces, but it's pieces of beef and blood, like mixed with blood, like cooked blood, right? Right? It's like a cooked blood.
Yes.
All right, let's try this. Very interesting texture. It's good. very hot, sweating so bad. Took about an hour and a half with that motorcycle cart to get here, climb up a few stairs, and you get to see the nice, beautiful view of the chocolate hills here. Right behind me there. I'm at the Bohol Enchanted Forest, just about to see the world famous Tarsier. It's like one of the smallest primates, monkeys in the world, so let's check it out. You were taking pictures there? Yeah?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
Pretty hard.
How about the butterfly? You want to go inside butterfly?
Sure.
Okay.
Sure, why not?
Okay, you go first. Tarsier?
Sure.
Butterfly.
First Tarsier?
Tarsier first.
Yeah, yeah. Oh. Nice.
Mamutangin.
I can't see them. It looks like a cacao fruit.
Look at that. It's so tiny. He's so small.
Yeah, they are.
Look at the size of that. It's one of the world's smallest primate monkeys. Whoa. Oh, he doesn't like the rain. Oh, so cute.